Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 most anticipated anime of 2020 that everyone is waiting for. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10, Seven Seeds second season. It is set in the immediate future where a giant meteorite has collided with Earth. All living organisms, including mankind, have been wiped off the face of the planet. The government, who had foreseen this outcome, took measures to counter the worst case scenario. In particular was Project Seven Seeds, in which five sets of seven young men and women were carefully selected and placed into teams: spring, summer A, summer B, autumn, and winter. Each participant was then put under cryogenic sleep in hopes of preserving the continued existence of mankind. When those men and women awoke, they found themselves suddenly thrust into a cruel world. While bereft and grieved over forever losing their loved ones, they sought to find ways to survive. Number 9, World Trigger. One day, a gate to another world opened in Mikado City. Invaders from another dimension, referred to the thereafter as neighbors, overran the area around the gate, leaving the city gripped by fear. However, a mysterious group suddenly appeared and repelled the neighbors. This border defense agency independently researches neighbor technology and fights to protect this world. In a short time, they managed to build an enormous base and prepare a defensive system against the neighbors. It's been 4 years since then. The World Trigger Season 2 anime has officially been confirmed to coming out on January 9, 2021, the Winter 2021 anime season. Number 8, Gleipnir. Shuichi Kagaya is an intelligent and friendly high school student satisfied with his normal everyday life, which is why he is very careful to protect his secret, that he can transform into a terrible cute monster. But one day, he uses his powers and risks discovery to save a girl. Number 7, My teen romantic comedy Snafu Climax. Resolved to become a more independent person, Yukino decides to smoothen things out with her parents, and the first step towards achieving the goal is to prove herself. As graduation draws closer for the third-year students, Iroha, the president of the student council, requests a graduation prom in collaboration with the Volunteer Service Club. Yukino accepts this request of her own volition, hoping to use it as a chance to demonstrate her self-reliance, but what lies ahead of her may prove to be a hard hurdle to cross. Number 6, Mushoku Tensei, Jobless Reincarnation. Killed while saving a stranger from a traffic collision, a 34-year-old NEET is reincarnated into a world of magic as Rudius Greybat, a newborn baby. With knowledge, experience, and regrets from his previous life retained, Rudius vows to lead a fulfilling life and not repeat his past mistakes. Now, gifted with a tremendous amount of magical power as well as the mind of a grown adult, Rudius is seen as a genius in the making by his new parents. Soon he finds himself studying under powerful warriors, such as his swordsman father and a mage named Roxy, all in order to hone his apparent talents. But despite his innocent exterior, Rudius is still a perverted otaku who uses his wealth of knowledge to make moves on women whom he could never make in his previous life. Number 5, Evangelion 3.0. The series is set in a post-apocalyptic world. The last remaining human settlement in Japan is the heavily fortified city of Tokyo 3. 14-year-old Shinji Ikari is brought to the headquarters of NERV, an underground organization led by his estranged father Gendo. He requests that Shinji become a pilot of Evangelion, a colossal android built to fight against monstrous and destructive alien creatures known as angels that wreak havoc on the planet and threaten the survival of the remaining human race. Although initially reluctant, Shinji is swayed by the idea of reconciling with his father and agrees to aid in mankind's perilous endeavor against its alien threat as the pilot of Evangelion Unit 1. Number 4, Log Horizon Season 3. The series revolves around 30,000 bewildered Japanese gamers who are whisked from their everyday lives into the world of the popular MMORPG Elder Tale after the game's latest update. Unable to log out, among them is the socially awkward college student Shiro, whose confusion and shock last only a moment. As a veteran of the game, he immediately sets out to explore the limits of his new reality. Shiro must learn to live in the new world, leading others and negotiating with the NPC natives in order to bring stability to the virtual city of Akihabara. Log Horizon explores the elements of gaming through the eyes of a master strategist who attempts to make the best of puzzling situations. Number 3, Megalobox Season 2. The series follows a desolate land that stretches out from the city of Puerto. A motorcycle speeds recklessly, blowing clouds of sand and dust. The writer is the protagonist of this story. He has neither a name nor a past. All he has is his ring name Junk Dog and a technique for rigging Megalobox matches with his spell Gansaku Nanbu, which they use to support their hand-to-mouth lives. JD is bored, resigned, and unfulfilled. Yuri has been the reigning champion of Megalobox for the past few years. He has the skills and presence of a true champion. This is a story of JD and his rival Yuri. Number 2. Attack on Titan Season 4. The series follows the last remnants of humanity who are forced to retreat behind the towering walls of a fortified city to escape the massive man-eating titans that roam the land outside their fortress. Only the heroic member of the Scouting Legion dare to stray beyond the safety of the walls, but even those brave warriors seldom returned alive. Those within the city clung to the illusion of a peaceful existence until the day that dream was shattered, and their slim chance of survival was reduced to one horrifying choice: kill or be devoured. Number 1. Dr. Stone, Second Season. The series is set in several thousand years after a mysterious phenomenon that turns all of humanity to stone. The extraordinarily intelligent, science-driven boy Senku Ishigami awakens, facing a world of stone and the total collapse of civilization. Senku makes up his mind to use science to rebuild the world, starting with his super strong childhood friend Taiju Oki, who awakened at the same time. They will begin to rebuild civilization from nothing. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.